Now we are remembering family holiday traditions as well as embracing new ones this morning with Sherri French of Mom Hand. And Sherri, I know we were talking earlier a little bit about some of our baking traditions. I have huge baking traditions. I know I have to start getting into that right now, but you came prepared with some baking tradition plans.
And I've got baking traditions for even the non-bakers because I love to bake, but I will not say I'm the best.
That's okay.
But I'm going to show you how to bake amazing shortbread this holiday season because as you know, when you're home with your family, baking during the holidays, a big part. So I've got a beautiful ceramic cookie pan from Lee Valley. So it is a simple way to take your family shortbread recipe to the next level. So you'll see there are imprints on the actual pan that are a thistle, and it is Scotland's national flower, and it's going to imprint it onto your shortbread dough. It's going to create elegant pie piece shaped cookies, which you'll also see down below. They've got a ton of unique holiday baking tools, so head to leevalley.com or even in store. I actually went to their store and found a ton of great holiday ideas. But
that's a good
my husband was thrilled that I made shortbread by myself. And it looks good too.
It's stunning. I mean, like, it's definitely a party pleaser when you walk in and you're like, oh, look at all these beautiful design cookies.
Didn't take long.
No, just 15 minutes in the oven and you're done. Perfect. Done. Okay, so as we talk about baking, holiday traditions, how do we spend more time with the family overall during the holiday times?
So it's a big time during the holidays because, you know, my girls were sport athletes and there's no school, there's no lacrosse, there's no hockey. So it is the perfect time to spend time as a family and do something together. So you can gift the superpower of play with Lego sets. They are the perfect for all ages, interests, and building ability. And it's a fun and creative way to bring our family together in an engaging way. And you've already spotted this. I've got the Lego Dreams with me today. Their dream sets are inspired by the enchanting adventures of the animated series, and it invites children to delve into a vibrant dream world where creativity flourishes. So this one is actually designed for builders 7 and older. I know you said you were looking for a 25-year-old.
Yes, my brother's turning 25 December 18th, and he loves Lego. So
what we've got.
What he sees, don't look. Maybe this might be your gift.
We've got him covered. So Lego.ca, Lego stores, and then retailers nationwide.
Okay.
Always a great gift.
That's wonderful. All right. Let's move down here. We have Lindt chocolate.
We can't forget chocolate. That is a tradition, right? So whether you're gifting, whether you're receiving, or potentially buying for yourself, so Lindt brings the magic of Swiss chocolate craftsmanship to life. It's going to make every moment of giving and receiving a little more meaningful and indulgent. So I've got a couple things with me today. I know my mom's watching. Hopefully she's maybe turned for a second. But the iconic Lindor Milk and Assorted Chocolate Truffles gift box, a holiday classic. You see the beautiful wrapping as well as the quality chocolate that comes inside. Like I said, every year my mom does get this. My girls, you always will see these guys in the store, the teddies that is a perfect stocking stuffer that has the heart charm. A great idea. And I love these ones for teachers' gifts. The Lindt Lindor Milk Chocolate Truffles. They've got a holiday lineup too, including candy cane. So grab and go, another great stocking stuffer. Hit to your local Lindt chocolate shop or Lindt.ca because we cannot have the holidays without chocolate.
And I mean, this makes such an easy gift, but a thoughtful gift. I will take chocolate any day of the week.
Or for myself.
Or for yourself if you just want to cozy up and eat your little chocolate bar right here. Okay, so we're talking about activities that we can do, especially with food. So let's talk about this fun craft.
I got a fun one I'm going to have you do. So we're going to make a snowman stick.
Yes.
So all you're going to need are some of these powdered white donuts. Okay. So you're going to grab 3 and make your snowman, put them on the stick.
Oh boy, okay, let's
right down the middle, live TV. Can you get it through the donut? Yes, you can.
Oh, I did.
One, 2 more. 1, or you make a double if you want. 1 more.
There we go, we're moving fast. Okay, so we have my snowman built.
Yeah, he's built, ready to go. You're going to put his hat on with some chocolate, any kind of chocolate you can add to him.
Please work. Yay!
We got his hat on.
And then he has his little scarf.
He's got a scarf. So this is all we're using is licorice. We're going to tie that around him.
So
Does he not look amazing?
He looks so toasty warm.
I mean, legit live TV here now. All you're going to do is just use some of this icing that you'll find in the baking aisle. Whoa. Well, we're going to add some eyes. Much easier to do it down on the table, but we're doing this. You might have a lopsided eye.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, he doesn't have
buttons. buttons. We're pretending. And we've got his orange nose, of course. That's a gel. That goes on a little bit better.
Look at Frosty.
And you've got a fun treat for the kids.
This is a fun one. you can do
Again,
it all
probably
together.
won't last long, but again, yes, the whole point is doing it together as a family.
How cute is he? Sherri, how cute. Okay, well, thank you so much for breaking down these new and improved holiday traditions we can do at home for the holiday season. I'm gonna eat this little guy later. But yeah, definitely tune in. If we have all those details available on our website. Stick with us, we'll have more coming up.